Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to start a new lesson in social. Okay? So you have a lesson. It is Our India Physical Diversity. Yes, children? Yes. So we are the Indians, right? Yes, we are the Indian citizens. That means we are living in India as a citizen of India. Yes? Yes. It is very important to know about our facilities, features, everything, right? Yes. So, before going to the topic, children, have you all seen the world map? Yes. Why I am talking about world map? Because we are all living in world. Yes. So now world alle irodalva makla? Yes. So where we can locate our India? In the world map, we can locate our India, right? Because we are living in world only. Yes? Yes. So we have 7 continents in our world. Yes? So which are those? Can you name that one? Yes, you can name. In the world, we can see 7 continents, right children? Yes. In 7 continents, we can see Asia is also one of the big continent in the world. Yes. Now let me see the world map first. Okay? Yes. Now you can see the world map, right children? Yes. So we can see the world map now. So where we can locate our India? See here. Yes, very good. So here we can see our India. Yes, right children? Yes. So in where we can see in South Asia. In South Asia we can locate our India in the world map. Yes. So you have to list out the names of the continents. Okay. In the board we can see the India map, right children? Yes. So in here what we can find here? So here we can see the surrounding. In the south side we can see the surrounding of India. It's covered with water. Yes. In north side we can see it's covered with what? Land. Yes children? Yes. So that's called as what? It's called as a peninsula. Okay. So if the land is covered with water means it's called as what children? It's called as island. Yes. So if the land is covered a specific water place. Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ It's your homework. You have to find out the answer for this question. Okay, so when we will meet directly, I will ask this question for you. Okay, it's your homework. You have to find out. Okay, yes. So in this class, we are going to learn about the physical diversity of our country. Okay, so basically we know that we have a variety feature. Yes. Yes. So our India stands as the 7th largest country in the area. Okay. So when we taken as space, area space ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ country 7th largest country ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಇರಬಹುದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಮಕ್ಕಳ Yes, I will write here now. You can see this, right? 32 kilometer, 32 lakh 87 263 square kilometers. Okay, so this is the what? This is the square kilometer of our country. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 32,87,263 square kilometers, and India will stand as a second place for what? India will stand for second place on the basis of population. Yes, you know that, right? Yes. Yeah? Yes. So when we come to the physical diversity, you know that, right? So in the physical diversity, we can see we have a variety and different types of see this types of physical diversity in our country. You can see the picture, right? Right, children? Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು different shades ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You can identify the one. So in the basis of this, we can identify four physical diversity in our India. Okay. So what do you mean by physical diversity now? So ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೋ ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ okay for example what do you mean by physical features that means whatever ಏನನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ physical features ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so in physical features we can see we have hilly areas we have rivers and we have forest areas so these are the things we can identify as a different variety okay so variety agide different agide anta helodadre ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ hilly areas ಇದೆ rivers ಇದೆ forest areas ಇದೆ so plateaus ಇದೆ so ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ರೀತಿ ಇರುವಂತದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಇರುವಂತದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್
So what do you mean by physical features, children? So when you look at the land surface of India, don't you notice the difference from one region to another? Yes, we can see that division, right, children? Yes. So you see various types of landforms such as mountains, hills, plains, plateaus, valleys. These are the things we can see. So this difference we can identify in our India, right, children? Yes. So that we see on the land surface. So adanna ನಾವು land surface ಮೇಲೆ identify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಷ್ಟು differentiate na. So these are called as physical features. Yes. So there are known as physical feature. In the picture we can easily identify that, right, children? Yes. And also we can identify here the three parts, that means in south side the three parts also it's covered with water, right, children? So we can see the sea. Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲಾರ್ okay that means the peninsular shape means the most of the places are covered with water okay so which are the seas we can see here now so in here we can see in the south side we can see the Indian Ocean. Yes. So and also we can see in east side Bay of Bengal and in west side we can see Arabian Sea. So this shape are called as a peninsular shape. Okay. So which is the biggest country has a peninsular shape aliruvanta biggest country yavudu world alli? So you can search that answer, right, children? Yes. Okay, search the answer for that question. So when we will meet, no, in that time you can tell the answer for me. Okay.
So here in this picture we can easily identify that, right? So we can easily differentiate the physical diversity in our India. So firstly we can see here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಹಿಮಾಲಯನ್ ಮೌಂಟನ್ಸ್ okay the first one is the Himalayan mountains and the second one the green shade you can see this green shade here, right, children? So these places are called as Great Plains of North India okay so the middle part the white shade you can see that, right? So this shade is called as that means this place is called as Peninsular Plateau okay so and also the last one the pink shade you can see here, right, the pink shade place so these plains are called as coastal plains so why we call as a coastal plains ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ coastal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು so you know the meaning so the place which are near to sea yes the water places are only, right? Yes so ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿನ ಪ್ರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸೊ ಕರಾವಳಿ ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ okay so that's called as coastal places okay these are the four physical features the diversity we can see in our India. Okay, in the next class, let me see one by one. Okay, so ಒಂದಾದರ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, what are the characteristics we can see in the every physical features. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about the Himalaya mountains. Okay, thank you.